characteristic of connect rate of sugar charge. Charge are given non zero this is the plane sheet. This is the plane sheet. This plane sheet having the positive charge is uniformly positive charge is uniformly distributed on the surface on the plane. So this I explained this in class. That is E equal to sigma y square to epsilon. This is the electric field. Electric field equals sigma y square. Sigma y square. Sigma means this is surface charge. Surface charge is this is only this concept is IP concept. This is IP concept. This is IP concept. IP concept. Up to this is a 4 marks question. This is a 4 marks question in IP. Suppose in competitive exams, a few questions from this topic. How they are asking from this topic, you see the questions and competitive for NEET, IIT and IIT questions related topic. Suppose this is a plane sheet number 1. This is a plane sheet number 1. This is a plane sheet. Charge density sigma 1. Sigma 1. This is a sigma. So this is a surface charge density negative. We are taking this is a positive. This is a negative. Negative. Now this is a region number 1. Region number 2. This is a region number 3. Region number 3. So we are going to find out in the regions. They are asking E1. E1, what is the electric field? The next E2, what is the electric field? Next E3 zone, what is the electric field? This is questions will come. So this is the questions asked from this topic. Now, how can we do this one? Means very simple way. Very simple way. Now you see the direction of electric field is this is a positive charge, positive plate. This is a positive plate. Positive plate. This is a positive plate. Now we'll see direction of electric field. This is the direction of electric field is always outward direction. Suppose negative plate means this is a negative plate charge having this thing. Direction of electric field is inward. Direction of electric field is outward for positive charge. Direction of electric field is negative charge plate is inward direction. For this direction of electric field is outward. Direction of electric field is outward. Here also. For this plate is this is a negative plate. This is a negative plate. Direction of electric field is inward. Inward. We are making here. Next, this is you see this is a reason number 1, reason number 2, reason number 3. Now you will take 1 or 2 or 3. You can take. Direction of electric field is from always positive to negative. Always positive to negative. We are taking this is R cap. R cap is a unit vector. It indicates the direction from positive plate to negative. This is a direction is very. Now I want to electric field in the region 1. So we have to find out intensity of electric field in the region number 1. Similarly, we have to find out intensity of electric field in the region 2. And we have to find out intensity of electric field at this region. That is the question from this topic. How we can do this? How can we calculate this one? Means you see E1 in the region. You see direction of electric field. This is a positive plate. This is a positive. Now, what is the direction of electric field here? Direction of electric field is this is the direction of electric field. Direction of electric field. This is the EL. This is the E, this direction. Now we say 1 and 2. 1 and 2. Now, this is E means what is the E? E is equal to sigma by 2 epsilon. E, sigma by 2 epsilon. Here sigma is positive and 2 epsilon is constant take out. Next, this is a one more electric field is one more electric field sigma by 2 epsilon. But direction of E bar, direction of R bar, both are in opposite direction means this is a minus. This is the direction of electric field. This is the direction of R cap. Both are in the same direction means we are add. This is a positive. Don't take negative. This is a negative sign. Don't take here. Don't take here. Now, so what is the E1? E1 zone, what is the electric field? Electric field is 0. Electric field is 0. We are going to do. So next, reason number 2, how can you find out? How can you find out? This is the direction of electric field. This is another direction of electric field. Both are in the same direction. Sigma by 2 epsilon naught plus sigma by 2 epsilon naught. These two electric field, direction of electric field and direction of R bar are three arrow marks in the same direction. We are taking the first. This is 2 sigma by 2 epsilon naught. So 2 to cancel sigma by epsilon naught in the reason number 2. This is the electric field. Next, in the reason 3 electric field, you see this is the direction of electric field. Direction of electric field. This is the direction of electric field. This is the direction of electric field. Both are in the opposite direction. For this one, sigma by 2 epsilon naught. For this one, sigma by 2 epsilon. But the direction of electric field R bar, both are in the same direction means plus. Direction of electric field R bar, both are in opposite direction means minus. Both are cancel each other. In the reason 3, what is the electric field? 0. This is we are going to solve the problem. That is very important. That is very important. This is model number 1. Model number 1. Okay now. So next model number 2. Model number 2. Now next, this is sigma plus sigma 1 minus sigma 1 minus sigma plus sigma 2. Sigma 2 plus sigma 2. This is reason number 1, reason number 2, reason number 3. Direction of electric field always take from left to right. Keep it in mind. This is a fixed bar for this. This is a plate, positive plate. Direction of electric field is outward. Outward. Here is outward. Here is outward. This is sigma 1. For this plate, this is a sigma 2. For this direction of electric field is positive charge. Outward direction. Here also outward. Here also outward. Now you will see 2 are in E1. E1. So 1 and 2. This is the direction of electric field. This is a positive. This is a positive. This is a sigma by 2 epsilon naught, general formula. Sigma by 2 epsilon naught. This electric field gives sigma by 2 epsilon naught. This electric field gives sigma by 2 epsilon. But this plane sheet having sigma 1 and 2 epsilon naught is constant. Direction of E bar and direction of R bar both are in the opposite direction means negative. This is a E bar. E bar gives sigma by 2 epsilon. This arrow mark belongs to this plate. This is a sigma 2. Sigma 2. And this is a E bar and R bar both are in opposite direction means minus. This is a E1 is equal to, and which one is common? 1 by 2 epsilon naught is common, and minus common. Sigma 1 plus sigma 2. This is your answer. This is your answer. This is minus. In middle, you see this is a E2. E2 is equal. What is the E2? 1 and 2. This is belongs to this plate. Sigma by 2 epsilon. Sigma by 2 epsilon. This is a sigma 1 2 epsilon constant. This is another arrow mark. Sigma by 2 epsilon. This arrow mark belongs to this plate. This is a sigma 2 by 2 epsilon constant. So this is a E bar and R bar both are in the same direction means positive. This is a E bar and R bar both are in opposite direction means minus. This is now 1 by 2 epsilon naught sigma 1 minus sigma 2. This is answer for E2. Next, E3 plate. E3 plate. Reason number 3. So both E bar in the same direction. Sigma by 2 epsilon naught. Sigma by 2 epsilon naught. And E bar. This is R bar. Both are same direction positive. This is E bar. This is R bar. Both are in the same direction is positive. This arrow mark is belongs to this one. This is sigma 2. This arrow mark belongs to for this one sigma 1. Now 1 by 2 epsilon naught to sigma 1 plus sigma 2 your answer. This is E3 plate. E3 plate we are calculating. Now next one, next model. Next one. Next plate. This is a positive plate. This is a positive plate. This is a negative plate. Negative plate. Positive plate. Negative plate. Negative plate. Minus sigma 2. This is a plus sigma 1. Plus sigma 1. Reason number 1. Reason number 2. Reason number 3. This is the direction of electric field. E1. This is a sigma 2. Sigma 2. So this is E1. This is LC1. E1. This is E1. E1. For this one inward. This is a E2. This is E2. For this one is E2. Okay, this is the direction of E1. E1 means we are going to write E1 is equal to E1 is equal to E means sigma by 2 epsilon naught. For this one, E1 means this is a sigma 1. So next to E is equal to sigma by 2 epsilon naught. This is belongs to this one, negative charge. This is E2 and sigma 2. This is the formulas we are using. Okay. And the reason number 1, direction of electric field is from always from positive to negative. This is the keep in your mind. This is left to right. This the direction is from left to right plate. Keep it up. So E1 and E2. This is the E1 is equal to E1 and E2. E1 and R cap both are in opposite direction minus. E2 R cap both are in the same direction plus. Minus E1 means sigma 1 by 2 epsilon naught plus sigma 2 by 2 epsilon naught. This is 1 by 2 epsilon naught is common. Sigma 2 minus sigma 1. This is your answer. This is it. Next E2 and E1 and E2 both are in the same direction. E1 are not same direction. Direction of E2 and direction of R cap both are in the same direction means positive. Sigma 1 by 2 epsilon R plus sigma 2 by 2 epsilon R and 1 by sigma R, so sigma 1 plus sigma 2. This is a E2. This is a E2 value. This is a E2. Next E3 value. E3 is equal to what is the value? E1 direction of E1 direction of R cap both are in the same direction. So E2 and R cap both are in opposite direction means E2. Now this is E1, this is E2. This is E1, this is a E2. E1 means what is a sigma 1 by 2 epsilon naught minus sigma 2 by 2 epsilon naught. This is your answer. This is a E3 reason. E3 reason. That is your answer. Next model. Next relative model. This is sigma. This is a minus 2 sigma. This is a plus 3 sigma. Plus 3 sigma. This is a plus. This is a minus. This is a plus. Reason number 1, reason number 2, reason number 3, reason number 4. We are going to calculate. This is a so direction of electric field is this is a sigma. Sigma means we are taking that is a sigma. Sigma means E is equal to sigma by 2 epsilon naught. 2 epsilon naught. So next to 2 E is equal to sigma by 2 epsilon naught. This is 2 take the side and here 12. So 2 cancel sigma by epsilon. Sigma by epsilon. Next, E is equal to sigma by 2 epsilon naught and 3 multiplied both sides of the equation. 3 sigma by 2 epsilon. This is a 3E, this is a 2E and sigma. For this one, this plate, first plate. This is a first plate, direction of electric field is outward. This is the E. For this one, this plate, direction of electric field is E. For this plate, direction of electric field in this region, E. For this plate, direction of electric field is in this region is, this is upward. For this plate, first plate is outward direction electric field. Negative plate means inward, inward. This is a negative charge. The electric field is, what is the electric field? 2E, we have taken, 2E. Direction of electric field is 2E. And in this region, what is the direction of electric field? Electric field for this plate, this is the direction of electric field, that is also 2E. And here in this region, direction of electric field is, this is the 2E. In this region, direction of electric field for this plate is inward, that is the 2E. Next last plate, this is first. Direction of electric field is outward, this is 3E. This is the direction of 3. In this region, what is the direction of this plate? This is a 3E. In this region, what is the direction of electric field? This is a 3E. At this place, what is the direction of electric field? Outward, this is a 3E. This is where we are going to calculate. Direction of electric field is from positive to negative. This is the direction of electric field. Direction of electric field. Now we are going to calculate. How can we calculate for this one? You see. And here E1 is equal to, what is the E1? E plus 2E plus, sorry, wait. So how many here fields? 1, 2, 3. So 1E, 2E and 3E. This is E bar, direction of r cap, both are opposite direction, minus. Next, 2E, direction of 3E, direction of r cap, both are in the same direction, plus. Direction of 3E, direction of r cap, both are in opposite direction, means minus. Now, this is a minus E. E means sigma by 2 epsilon naught, minus. Next, plus 2E, sigma by epsilon naught, minus 3E. 3E means 3 sigma by 2 epsilon. 3 sigma by epsilon. Now we are going to calculate. Take LCM 2 epsilon naught. 2 epsilon. 2 epsilon naught, 2 epsilon naught cancel minus sigma. Plus this is a 2 sigma minus 2 epsilon naught cancel 3 sigma. So finally 2 epsilon naught. This is a 2. This is a minus sigma. This is a minus 2 sigma. 2 cancel minus sigma by epsilon naught. Minus sigma by epsilon naught. This is E1. For in this reason, what is the E1? E1 is equal to minus sigma by epsilon naught. Minus sigma by epsilon naught. That is your answer. That is your answer. In the reason number 2, E2 is equal to 1, 2, and this is a 3. That is a 3. That is a 3. This is a 3. So in E2 in the reason, 2E, 2E, 3, and E and 2E, direction of E bar, direction of R bar, same direction. Same direction means we are taking positive. Direction of 2E and direction of R bar, both are in the same direction, positive. Direction of 3E and direction of R cap, both are in opposite directions, we are taking minus. Okay, in E means what is the value? Sigma by 2 epsilon. Sigma by 2 plus 2E, sigma by epsilon minus 3E, 3 sigma by 2 epsilon. This is your now you will take the LCM. 2 epsilon naught, 2 epsilon cancel sigma. This is a 2 sigma minus 3 sigma. This is a value. This is a 3 and cancel each other. In the E2 is equal to 0. Electric field is in the E2 is 0. That is the electric field. That is a electric field. Electric field is 0. Electric field is 0. Electric field is 0. Next, reason number 3. Reason number 3. This is the direction of electric field. In the reason number 3, how can we calculate? Reason number 3. Reason number 3. Reason number 1. Reason number 2. Here, reason number 2, electric field is 0. Electric field is 0. Now, direction of electric field is from positive to negative. Positive to negative. The reason number 3, E, 2E, 3. Direction of E bar and direction of R cap both are in the opposite direction. Direction of 2E and direction of R cap both are in the same path. Direction of 3E, direction of R cap both are in the same direction is positive. Now sigma 2 epsilon naught plus 2E. Sigma by epsilon naught plus 3 sigma by 2 epsilon naught. This is. Take 2 epsilon naught, take the LCM minus sigma plus cancel 2 sigma plus 2 epsilon cancel each other 3 sigma. So this is 3 sigma, 2 sigma, sigma. What is the total value? 6 sigma by 2 epsilon naught. This is a 2 1 2 3. This is 3 sigma by epsilon naught. This is E3 value. E3 value. Sorry. Yes, sorry, ma. So this is a minus sigma. This is a value is minus sigma plus 2 sigma, 3 sigma, 5 sigma by 2 epsilon naught. This is a value is 4 sigma by 2 epsilon naught. 2 1 2 2 cancel. 2 sigma by epsilon naught. So this is E3 value. E3 value is equal to 2 sigma by epsilon naught. 2 sigma by epsilon naught. That is the next fourth one. E4 is equal to E and 2E 3E. Direction of R cap in this direction E bar, and E and R cap both are in opposite direction. Both are same direction and opposite direction. Now minus sigma by 2 epsilon naught and sigma by epsilon naught minus 3 sigma by 2 epsilon naught. So 2 epsilon naught to take the LCM and a sigma plus 2 and a sigma cancel 2 sigma minus 3 sigma. So what is the value? Minus sigma minus 6 minus 4 sigma plus 2 sigma by 2 epsilon naught. So this is the value is minus 2 sigma by 2 epsilon naught. 2 to cancel minus sigma by epsilon naught. This is your answer. That is your answer. E4 is equal to what is the value? Minus sigma by epsilon naught. That is your answer. That is we are going to solve this problem. This is one model. This is one model. Now next. Next. So next one is this is a plate. This is a plane sheet, infinite plane sheet. Negative charge. This is a positive charge. Positive charge. This is a minus sigma. This is a plus sigma. At this place, we have to find out the intensity of electric field. In this region, what is the direction of electric field? Direction of electric field is downward at this point. So negative plate, what is the direction of electric field? For negative plate, direction of electric field is out inward direction. This is a infinite plane sheet. This is a plate having positive charge. Direction of electric field is outward direction. This is a plate having negative charge. Direction of electric field is inward direction. This is a plate is negative. Direction of electric field is inward. This is the first place. Direction of electric field is outward direction. This is the E, this is E. And theta is equal to 90 degrees. So what is the theta? E1 is equal to E2 is equal to E, and theta is equal to 90 degrees. ER or E12 resultant is equal to E1 square plus E2 square plus 2E1 E2 cos 90 0 cos 90 0. ER resultant E12 is equal to root of E square plus E square, that is root of 2E square, and root 2E. Root 2, this is ER, this is E12. E12, this is the direction of it. Now, at this point, what is the resultant for this one? Resultant is equal to E12 or ER is equal to root 2E. Root 2E. E means, what is the E? E is equal to sigma by 2 epsilon. E means, and your resultant is equal to ER is equal to root 2 sigma by 2 epsilon. That is your answer. This is a root 2 sigma. Root 2 can return root 2, and epsilon naught cancel sigma by root 2 epsilon naught. That is the ER, resultant electric field. Okay. Now, at this place, direction of electric field is inward. At this place, what is the direction of electric field? Outward. This is the direction of electric field is, this is E1. E1. At this place, at this point, what is the direction of electric field? Outward direction. At this place, inward direction. Inward direction. This is the direction of electric field, and this is a root 2E. Root 2. At this place, direction of electric field is outward. In this place, inward. This is the direction of electric field. Electric field. We are going to find out. And that is the direction of. Next, conducting. Conducting sheet. Next. Conducting. Conducting sheet. What is the meaning of the conducting sheet? Charge is charge. Charge is uniformly distributed over outer surface of the body. Outer surface of the body. Charge is uniformly distributed on outer surface of the body. Outer surface of the body. Charge is inside the surface of the body is 0. Charge is present inside the surface of the body is 0. And the conducting sheet of the charge is a combination of non-conducting sheet of same surface charge density. Same surface charge density. So what is the meaning of the conducting sheet? Conducting sheet. Charge is uniformly distributed outer surface of the body. Charge is present inside the surface of the conductor is 0. And conducting sheet of the charge is combination of two non-conducting surface, two non-conducting sheets. Conducting sheet of the charge is combination of two non-conducting non-conducting of same surface charge density. Same surface charge density is called as conducting sheet. Conducting sheet. Conducting sheet. What is the meaning of the charge is? The charge is uniformly distributed uh, the charge is uniformly distributed on distributed only on outer surface outer surface outer surface. Charge is inside the sphere. Charge is inside the sphere. Charge is inside the surface. Charge inside the surface. Charge is inside the surface. Charge is present inside the surface. Charge present inside the surface. Surface is zero. Zero. Inside charge. Inside charge is zero. Inside charge is zero. Inside charge is zero. Charge is uniformly distributed only on outer surface. Inside charge is zero. Next point. And the connecting sheet of charge is combination of two non-conducting sheet of same surface charge density. Surface charge density. At the same time, isolated conducting sheet. Isolated conducting sheet does not exit. Isolated conducting sheet does not exit. This is very important. Conducting sheet. The charge is uniformly distributed only outer surface. Inside charge is zero. Conducting sheet of charge is combination of two non-conducting sheet of same surface charge density. Isolated conducting sheet does not exit. For example, this is a conducting sheet. This is a P. This is Q. This is a R. This is a reason is P. This is a Q. This is R. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 4. And this is a plus sigma. This is also plus sigma. Now we are going to calculate the. And this is a one reason. Number 2, number 3, number 4. Now in the first reason. The first reason sigma E1 integral. We are going to calculate the EP. This is the P reason, Q reason, R reason. At intensity of kinetic field at P point is equal. This is a 1. 1 is outward direction. 3 is outward direction. 1 and 3. This is R cap direction of. This is R cap is a unit vector that it gives the direction from left to right. Keep in mind. And 1. This is a E1. Next, this is a E3. Both are in outward direction. Now we'll take the E1 in direction of 1 and R cap both are in opposite direction. Direction of 3 and direction of R cap both are in opposite direction. Now minus sigma by 2 epsilon. This is a minus sigma by 2 epsilon. 2 epsilon. Now this is a value is what is the value? Minus 2 sigma by 2 epsilon naught. Sigma cancel minus sigma by epsilon naught. This is the EP reason. Next EQ reason. This is a QQ. And this is a 2 and this is a 3. Direction of E2 and direction of R cap both are in the same direction. Direction of E bar, direction of R cap both are in opposite direction. We are checking this is a negative. So E2 means sigma by 2 epsilon naught minus sigma by 2 epsilon naught cancel each other. In the reason is inside the. This is the inside. This is a inside charge is 0. Inside the charge is 0. Charge is 0 means electric field also 0. Next, outside the. This is outside the conductor. This is outside the conductor. This is inside the conductor. Inside the conductor, electric field is 0. Charge inside the charge is 0. Electric field also 0. In the original, 4 and 2. 4 and 2. 4 and r cap both are in the same direction, and E2 and r cap both are in the same direction. Now we are taking fast 2. T4 sigma by 2 epsilon naught plus sigma by 2 epsilon naught. Now this is a 2 sigma by 2 epsilon naught. And to cancel, this is a sigma by epsilon. Sigma by epsilon. Sigma by epsilon. This is a EP. This is here. Here is minus sigma by epsilon naught. This is a plus sigma by epsilon naught outside. Inside is 0. Inside is 0. This is a concept or concept. Next model. Next, this is a connecting shade. Connecting shade. So this connecting shade, positive charge is distributed only on outer surface. Outer surface. So we know very well. So we have to first construct the Gaussian surface. First, what is the Gaussian surface? Cylindrical. Gaussian surface is cylindrical. Gaussian surface is cylindrical. This is this surface. This Gaussian surface is inside the conductor. This is the Gaussian surface is outside the conductor. Direction of this is what is the shape of this one? Circuit. And direction of n cap is outward direction. Area vector. This is the n cap or area vector outward direction. Direction of this is a plate. This plate having the positive charge. Direction of electric field is outward direction. And this is curved surface. This is a top curved surface. Direction of area vector is n cap outward direction. This is a direction of electric field is this is a direction of electric field. Now angle is theta is equal to 90 degrees. This is surface 1. This is surface 2. This is surface number 3 inside. Inside charge is 0. Electric field is 0. Now flux is equal to integration E bar dot ES bar is equal to Q inside by epsilon. This is the flux. Now first E1 at this plate. At this plate E1 is equal to E, and this is a bar. You can take whatever EA cos 0. So phi 1 is equal to E A area vector n cap or area vector. Both are in the same direction. What is the angle between E bar and A bar? 0 degrees. Cos 0 degrees is 1. This is a phi 1 is equal to E into A. E into A. Next to phi E2. So EA cos 90. Cos 90 0. This is the value is phi E2 is equal to flux is 0. Next flux E3. At this place Q is 0. Flux also 0. Q inside by flux is equal to. And this is inside the flux is 0. Charge is 0. Electric field also 0 inside. Already I proved. This is the value. Now this is a phi is equal to. What is a phi is equal to? Q n by epsilon naught. And the phi means what is the phi? Only E into area, and the Q enclosed this connecting sheet having charge Q epsilon naught. Surface charge density sigma is equal to charge by area. Area means 4 pi. What is the area for this one? Okay, now Q is equal to sigma A. Q into sigma A. So EA is equal to Q means sigma A by epsilon naught. A cancel, and E is equal to sigma by epsilon naught. I'm right. Okay, we know relation between this is the relation. So E is equal to minus dV by dr. Now keep in your mind this formula. Next coming classes, I'm going to explain this proof of this is a relation between the E bar is equal to minus dV by dr. Now V is equal to minus E and integration E dr. E dr. So V is equal to minus integration. E means sigma by epsilon naught dr. This is a V is equal to minus sigma by epsilon naught is constant. This is the R plus C. This is your formula. Relation between the E and V and E. That is it. Okay. This is one. Next, shortcut method. For this concept, shortcut method. Conducting sheet shortcut method. Shortcut method. Shortcut method for conducting sheet. Conducting sheet. Shortcut method for conducting sheet. Conducting sheet. This is for one plate. This is another plate. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is a positive charge. This is a Q1. This is a Q. Now, can we find out that this one means very simple. This is a Q1. We are going to write Q1 by 2. This is a Q1 by 2. This is a Q2 by 2. This is a Q2 by 2. This is as these here, this sum take this side. This is a Q2 by 2. This is a Q2 by 2. This is a Q1 by 2. This is a Q1 by 2. Now you can take that this is a minus. You keep the minus. Keep in your mind this is a minus. This is also minus. Next, you add this average. You take the average at this place. The average is you take. So 1. So what we call at this 1 at this place. At this place. And this is one place. Okay, so this is a plate Q1. This is a Q2, and 1 here at this point. Q1 by plus Q2 by 2. That is number 2. Number 2 means this is a Q1 minus Q2 by 2. That is the your answer. Number 3 plate here minus Q2 minus Q1 by 2. This is the fourth plate. Q1 plus Q2 by 2. That is your shortcut method. Shortcut. I'm going to show the one problem. This is a problem. For example problem. This is a plate. This is one more conducting sheet. This plate is having surface Q. This is a one plate having surface QQ. This is a Q. This also Q. And 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Let's find out. Let's find out for this one. In the region 1, 2, 3, and 4. What is 1? In 1, Q1 plus Q2 by 2. So in 1 is in 1, Q1 means Q plus Q2 means Q by 2. What is answer? This is a 2Q by 2. This is for this one is Q1. Next number 2. Q1 minus Q2 by 2. So Q1, what is the Q? What is the Q2? Q by 2. What is answer? In the reason 2, answer is 0. Here is 0. In the reason number 3, Q2 minus Q1 by 2. Q2 means Q, Q1 means Q by 2. What is answer? For this one 0. Next number 4. So what is answer? Q1 plus Q2 by 2. What is the Q1? Q by 2. This is a 2Q by 2. 2 to cancel. This is a Q. That is a. We are finding like that. Next, another form. Another I will see another problem. How can we do that one? Next, let one more shortcut method. This is the two plates. Suppose, for example, they are giving the three plates. They are giving three plates. How can we calculate this? Suppose I'm giving three plates. Now we'll see. This is a plate. 1, 2, 3 plates. 3 plates. This is this plate having QA, QB, QC. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. QA. You want Q1. Q1 is equal to. Q1 is equal to. Now we'll take this is a Q1, this is a Q2, Q3, Q4, Q5, Q6. You want Q1 means QA plus QB plus QC by Q. Suppose you want Q2. Q2 means QA minus Q1. Next Q3 means minus Q2. Next Q4 means you want Q4 means QB minus Q3. You want Q5 means minus Q4. You want Q6 means Q6. QC minus Q5. That is we are going to find. That is a shortcut method. Q1 means Q1, QA plus QB plus QC by 2. And Q2 means QA minus Q1. And Q3 is equal to minus Q2. Q4 is equal to QB minus Q3. Q5 is equal to minus Q4. QC minus Q5. This is a shortcut method. This is a shortcut method. This is a three plates are given. This is a very, very, very important. Very, very important. Very, very important. Now we are going to solve the problem. This is a shortcut method. Shortcut method. Tomorrow I will show the how can we do the problems for this shortcut. Okay. Thank you.